Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm glad you're here on my channel, Joe Small Engine Repair. I hope that this will be a good video and stuff. I'm going to be making a video on this stihl TS700 power saw. This thing is a monster. It is heavy. This thing is designed to cut through concrete, and roads and stuff like that. And this thing's a monster. The person who wanted me to look at this said that there's something wrong in the carburetor. He doesn't want to run right. Take out the carburetor and work on it a little bit and see if I can find the problem. I'm thinking maybe there's a bad gasket or something like that, or maybe it just needs some tuning up. I don't know, but I'm going to first go ahead and take a look at the carburetor, and then we'll go on from there. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the back part on these steel and everything. You always got to use the star filter. This I'm getting off the air filter here. I was able to run it a little bit and everything, and it seems to be either carburetor, it has some dirt in it or something like that, or maybe also could be that in front here that the muffler, there's a little screen on the muffler and everything that probably could need a little bit of cleaning there, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'm going with, that's part of it too. Okay, so I've got this part off. So here's a filter, and then there's a pre-filter, and then there's a filter here. That's a pretty good setup. But on these and stuff, it has to be a very, very clean system. Cement and everything, when it gets chopped up and everything, it becomes a really fine dust. And it can get sucked into here to the carburetor and into the motor, and it can go ahead and wear out the motor really quick. So it really helps if these things are really, really good. So I guess on this guy and everything, however old this is and everything, it looks like this is the first time this thing has ever been taken apart. So I need to take off these two fuel lines. There we go. Now, I'm right here at the carburetor. You guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that, but here's the carburetor right here. See this lump of dirt right here? That's the carburetor. I know you can't see it, but it is the carburetor. Think of is that there's this line right here that is not letting me attach it across. Yeah, this thing is so bad and everything, I can't even tell what's what here. I can't see anything really good. It's so dirty and everything in there. Okay. I'm trying to get this little clip off of here, and it does not want to come out real easy. I got it. Here's a little clip.